Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to turn camera location tags on and off with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to look at a photo that has location tags. Here's a photo of a comedian that I saw in Atlanta, and you can see that I saw them at the Tabernacle. Now to turn that function off, we're going to go to Privacy, Location Services, and then go to Camera. And now we can set it to never save the location, to ask next time or when you share the photo, or while using the app. And you can also turn on and off whether it takes your precise location. And that is how to change camera location tags on and off using the iPhone 13 Pro.